He's crying. He actually has tears in his eyes. Get it from the side. Get it from the side.
Give me 2 puppuccinos and actually, I'm not sure what would happen after 2.
Get it! Get it!
Get it. Get it. Or top it up and get it.
Ow! You missed your chance, idiot!
Leo's first pup cup. Oh my goodness. Ah.
Is this a sweet treat? Because it looks like...
You will be.
No, where are we going with that? Where? Oh, no. No, get it off of my knee.